Light on. All set to go. Stand by at the 1600. Whirling Lass the inside, they're off on the Jane Percy Memorial. Zarstorm Blazer stood there, missed the kick, coming out quickly as I'm a Natural. Whirling Lass, Mahjong Smiler showing plenty of speed. Devil's Gate all primed up around the outside with Slam Master pressing forward. Then came Prince Charming on the inside from Holy Maximus. What Do I Stand For? Around the outside, Zarstorm Blazer from Small and Spicy and Digger's Fortune at the tail. Slam Master takes it up at the 1200 from I'm a Natural. Mahjong Smile all primed up, 3 wide going forward. Then a length and a half to Whirling Lass on the outside of Prince Charming. Then a further length back to What Do I Stand For? Zarstorm Blazer, Devil's Gate the inside. Small and Spicy, Holy Maximus, Digger's Fortune as last of all. At Slam Master in front, leads by a length, all primed up as running second. Then 2 to Mahjong Smile and a neck back on the inside. Then running fourth as I'm a Natural. Whirling Lass, they were followed by Prince Charming, getting a good run on the inside. Now joined up around the outside by Zarstorm Blazer. A further 1.5 to What Do I Stand For? Devil's Gate, Small and Spicy. Well back in the field here is Holy Maximus, and Digger's Fortune is over on the outside, last of all. Coming towards the corner, 400 metres left to travel. All primed up's gone to Slam Master. Out there 3 wide and 3/4 back as Mahjong Smile. Then came I'm a Natural, Whirling Lass. They were followed by Prince Charming getting into the open. Inside the 200 metre mark, Mahjong Smile goes to all primed up. Down the outside, Whirling Lass. Slam Masters fighting back on the inside. It's all primed up. Mahjong Smile on the outside. Whirling Lass. Whirling Lass coming at Mahjong Smile. Mahjong Smile. Whirling Lass. Whirling Lass. Whirling Lass has won it from Mahjong Smile. Now flooding through in the centre there was I'm a Natural. Out wide was Prince Charming. Good go the placings. All primed up was fighting on with Devil's Gate, Holy Maximus, Slam Master, and out wide was on the track there was Small and Spicy. Then Zarstorm Blazer, What Do I Stand For? And Digger's Fortune. Whirling Lass, you'll find on the outside has got this. Good go there for the placings. I'm a Natural. Mahjong.